Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Bluetooth on or off button is missing on your Windows and also Bluetooth is missing in the device manager. Then let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to check the Bluetooth services. So for that, we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Now you will find services under the best match, then just go ahead and click on that. Now once the services window is open, then we need to scroll down to the B section, and here we can find the Bluetooth services. So I have three Bluetooth services from here, but in your case, if you have more than three Bluetooth services, just do the same process for each service. All you have to do is make a right click and then select properties, startup type, that should be automatic. If it is not yet running, then you have to click on start. You need to click on apply, click on OK. So basically, you need to make sure that all the Bluetooth services are running from here. Okay, so once done, close the services window. For the next method is we need to make a right click at the start button. And here we need to select device manager in the list of options. Now, once the device manager window is open, here we need to look for Bluetooth. But if Bluetooth is missing on your device manager, click on your username and then click on action and click on scan for hardware changes until you can get Bluetooth. You can also click on view and click on show hidden devices. And once you click on that, then your Bluetooth will appear. Now, once you find your Bluetooth driver, all you have to do is make a right click and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, then close this. Also, you need to make sure that Bluetooth is not disabled. So make a right click and then you have to select enable. So if this is enabled too, then you can select disable device, click on yes, and then wait for some time. Make a right click, select enable device. And then after that, you just need to check if Bluetooth is again present on your Windows. Now for the next method, we can also download the Bluetooth driver from the official website. So my manufacturer is from Realtek. Now the same thing if you have a different manufacturer like Intel and so. Let's open a browser. It could be any browser. Now here you just need to simply search for the Bluetooth driver from your manufacturer. I have the Realtek Bluetooth driver, so I'm going to search for that. It could also be Intel Bluetooth driver or from the different manufacturer that you have. And here we just need to click on this download button from here. And we just need to wait for this to be downloaded, and then we have to install this once this is downloaded into our Windows, and then that's it. So you need to make sure that if you are having a different manufacturer, then you need to specify the manufacturer once you search for the Bluetooth driver. Then for the next method, we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Now you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane to open the command prompt with administrative rights. Here simply type this command, simply follow me. DISM space forward slash online space forward slash clean up dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. Now, this process will take some time. There is no specific duration for the process to be completed. But what you can do is you need to wait for the process to be done. And once this is done, you need to close out of here. And before you can make a restart, run the next command too. So type CMD again in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. This time you need to type SFC space forward slash scannow. It's SFC space forward slash scannow. Hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will check and fix for all system corrupted files on your Windows. So the process will also take some time. There is no specific duration for this. But once the process is done, so you need to type SFC space forward slash scannow. Hit enter. and wait for the process to be 100% completed, and then close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.